Hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to set up heat map on your security camera. Heat map is great for a number of applications, one being how to optimize customer traffic by identifying the hotspots or dead areas in a store, see the changes in customer flow, and help identify high-valued items by the amount of heat surrounding an area. Now let's walk you through how to properly set it up. Step 1. After you have configured your camera, go to Settings. Next, go to Events located below Network. After that, go to Smart Plan. Click on Heat Map. It should change orange when you click it. Now keep in mind not all cameras will have the ability to do heat mapping. After that, hit Save. Next, go to Heat Map located below People Counting. Click on Enable. Now let's set our time we want heat map to be in use. Click on Settings located next to Period. For this demonstration, I will click All, but you can set how heat mapping monitors an area based on your parameters you set below. After that, hit Save. Now hit Save once more. To check on the reported time, click on Report located next to heat map. Set your start and end time of where you would like to look for a heat map. Keep in mind the heat map can have a maximum range of 1 week. After that, hit Search. It might take a minute, but a map should come up displaying where the most heat was located throughout the allotted time. You've now configured heat mapping. Thanks for watching.